Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Beaufort, Georgia today. We're actually on a motor yacht on a boat. This is a repeat customer. We've done their houses and they've got this boat they want to do. As you can see, there's some spots on the floor there by the coffee table between that and the sectional. A couple spots in the main area here on the riser. Bedrooms are in pretty good shape. There's 2 bedrooms. Lighting's kind of weird. Small area to work with, obviously. There's 2 little sets of stairs here. There's a couple spots over here by the dining room table. And this other bedroom is in really good shape. So yeah, so basically what it boils down to here is we're doing a boat today. This is a $300 job. Like I said, there's several spots with OMG Carpet Cleaning. There's no per spot fees. There's no upsells, things of that nature. The cleaning is included in the quote. So we'll get this knocked out and then shoot us an after video. Stay tuned. Guys, it's about 12 o'clock. We just wrapped up this $300 job on this boat. As you can see, all the spots came out nicely. From the living room, the dining room, spot over on the stair riser. Wasn't much to see down in the bedroom. Actually feels the best down here with the air conditioner on down here. Turn the light off. So yeah, like I said, this is a $300 job. It's a boat. It's probably a 300-yard walk back to the vehicle, carrying equipment back and forth and so forth and so on, which is why we charge what we charge. Our equipment is obviously all portable, which is why we can do boats, houseboats, cruisers, yachts. We can do them all. So he had actually gotten a quote to have this carpet replaced, and now he's going to be a whole lot happier with the cleaning and the savings of replacing the carpet. So again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. No upsells, no per spot fees, no hidden fees of any kind. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Carpets, rugs, upholstery, hardwoods, linoleum. We do clean boats, obviously. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be kind, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.